This is our 25 CNC 5 extras 3 readers. We matched with industrial PC. It has 3D function. You can see 3D display of the product in the touchscreen. And we also have USB. You can input the drawing directly through USB. When we firstly test machine, after setting all programs, we have to run machine without pack and check all programs, all actions are correct or not. After checking, we load the pipe and try to bend. This is on the auto mode. Of course, it's better to test on the manual mode if you first use this machine.